Dear students, today we will study our second chapter, that is maps or guides. In our previous chapter, we studied about globe. A globe is a model of the earth. Now we will study about maps. Sometimes a map is more useful than a globe as it can show the whole earth at the same time. But a globe cannot show all parts of the earth at once. Now we will study about maps. A map is a drawing of earth or any part of the earth on a flat surface. We can draw maps for any small area of the earth. A book of maps is called atlas. What is an atlas? It is a book of maps. The science of making maps is called cartography. And a person who makes or studies maps is called cartographer. Now we will know about the importance of maps. Maps are easy to carry anywhere as they can be folded or rolled easily. Maps can show the whole earth at a time. Maps can be drawn for a small area. You can draw a map of a room also. Maps give detailed information. Maps can be easily inserted in books, while it is not possible for a globe. However, maps have some limitations also. The earth is spherical in shape and its curved surface cannot be shown correctly on a flat surface like paper. Try to cover a ball with a sheet of paper without creasing. You will not be able to do it. So, maps may lead to errors in the shape and size of land masses and water bodies near poles. Despite of these limitations, a map of a small area can be fairly accurate. Thus, a map is more useful to study Earth than a globe. Next, we will study the types of maps in next module. Dear students, now we will study about the types of maps. There are mainly 5 types of maps. Number 1, political maps. Number 2, physical maps. Number 3, thematic maps. Number 4, climate maps. And number 5, road maps. Now, we will study these types of maps in detail. First, we will study political maps. A political map shows the different countries or different states in a country with their capitals. Lines defining the boundaries of states and countries are also shown in political maps. Now come to physical maps. A physical map shows different physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, etc. These physical features can be easily seen in a physical map. Now we will know about thematic maps. Some maps focus on some specific information such as rainfall, population, literacy, natural vegetation, industries, etc. These maps are called thematic maps. Now come to climate maps. Climate maps give general information regarding the climate of an area. Different colors are used to show different climatic zones. Red color is used to show hot and humid, while yellow color is used to show hot and dry. Blue color is used to show cold climate. Now we will know about road maps. These maps are very useful in our daily life. In this map, you can observe all the major roads of Sonipat. Like Sonipat, all the cities have road maps. These maps are very useful for us as they help in giving correct direction while driving to an unknown